Supposed to catch. Ready? Stay. Ready, Chester? Ready? Ready? Catch. He's not too good at this. Chester! Catch. That was a little better. Chester! Oh, ouch! That must have hurt. Chester, catch. Chester, look here. Catch. Ready? It's gonna go up here and then down your mouth. Up here and then down your mouth. Ready? Catch. And hits him in the face. Ready? Catch. Ready? Catch. Or let it hit you in the face. Ready? Ready? Catch. Ready, Chester? Catch. Catch. Whoa, that went all the way in the kitchen. Chester!